they believe in themselves. Noon, ang mga bata ay nahihiya pa, takot magsalita, takot magkamali. Ngayon, may kumpiyansa na sila sa sarili. Some of them who were once shy and hesitant are now stepping up as volunteers themselves. Receiving the Outstanding Volunteer Award was deeply moving. Personally, for me, it affirmed that quite consistent act of service do matter. Professionally, it encouraged me to expand that gap and gave our volunteers and learners something to be truly proud of. It also opened doors, more partners, more collaborators, and more people who said, "How can I help?" That is the power of recognition. Programs like the Search for Outstanding Volunteer don't just reward, they inspire. They validate the sleepless night, the long walks, the teaching under the trees, and the laughter shared with children who dare to dream. In 5 years, the Giao has grown from a single act of courage to a full-blown movement, from literacy to peace, from poetry to plastic, from barangay to school, from volunteer to volunteer. We've shown that love in action can rewrite lives. As its advisor and founder, I am deeply honored to witness the journey, and more so, the transformation of our learners as well as our volunteers. They came as kids with kind hearts. They grow as leaders with brave spirits. They may not have been paid, but they were fulfilled. They may not wear medals, but they carry the pride of 1,000 victories. In the Giao, we do not serve for recognition, but recognition reminds us why we continue. To all current and future volunteers, always remember, you are not just helping others, you are healing communities. You are building futures, and you are the Giao. And the Giao will always be you, always a volunteer. Thank you, and may we never stop giving, guiding, and growing. God bless us.